Good morning everyone. Today we are in Mangalajodi and we are going for our early morning bird watching activity. All the bird movements are here already. The cormorants have started to come from their roosting sites to the wetland area. So this is what Mangalajodi looks like. This is the approach road to the jetty, and from the jetty we are supposed to take boats and then get into the main wetland area deep inside and look for birds. And this is the Mangalajodi jetty. The first point is of the ecotourism guys, and the other two jetties are operated by local people here. The pricing is pretty much fixed, 1200 rupees for 2 hours with the guide and a boat, and then if you want to extend, the prices are mentioned here. So this is a morning time. Usually the morning session starts at around 6:30. Although it is winter time, the good lighting starts only after 7 o'clock, 7:30 onwards. You get a really good light, and the afternoon session starts at around 2 o'clock. According to the guides, many people also do a day trip to Mangalajodi who are traveling from Bhubaneswar and all. Mangalajodi is around 75 kilometers from Bhubaneswar. In car it takes about an hour and a half. The road is the Bhubaneswar-Chennai highway. So this is the famous Mangalajodi wetland, and from the jetty we have just come out into the main area. So here we are, waiting in the anticipation that this black-headed ibis catches a snake and we get some good shots. Here we are, stuck in one channel where my excellent guide was overconfident of coming through this, and now these guys are trying to push the boat. So we're just gonna figure out how they want to get it out of this place. So it turns out that I had breakfast just now, so because of that boat became very heavy. Now that breakfast part is over and the boat part is over, we are going to move ahead. This is our boat. These boats have a carrying capacity of 4 people plus the guide and the boatsman. So about 6 people in all. Although my yesterday's experience tells me that it is better to have 2 or 3 people maximum in this boat plus these 2 guys. Otherwise it becomes difficult navigating, especially in the shallow channels. So we are right now in some lesser explored areas in this Mangalajodi, in between some reef beds. We are actually looking for a black bittern. We managed to spot yellow so far, but no black. And yesterday we had seen a cinnamon bittern. But yeah, a lot of reed wobblers here. So our search for black bittern continues, but no luck so far. We did get to see one flying across the reed channel, but that was it. Still hoping we get lucky by the end of this day.